Hi friend, good evening. Because I am creating videos in evening time. Please like, subscribe my channel and share my videos to boost me and support me. Today we discuss about the subject DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. First of all, we know about the data because DBMS that we see that database management system. First of all, it is required to know about the data. What is data? Data can be defined as facts or raw material, and information can be defined as a meaningful data. Information means meaningful data. And what is database? Next one is that data. We study about the database management system. First of all, it is required to know about the database. What is database? Collection of logically related data or collection of similar records. Then we move further and to know about the database management system. What is database management system? Set of programs or software used to access and update in efficient and fast manner is called the database management system. And next topic is RDBMS. What is RDBMS? RDBMS refers to the relational database management system. In relational database management system, first one means relation. Relation refers to the two things, row and column. In DBMS language, we sometimes called tuple rows as a tuple and attribute as a column. Database, and we can define RDBMS as a database in which data can be represented in the form of relation is called relational database management system. Row is called tuple and column is called attribute. And the next topic is what is cardinality and what is arity. Two things is that arity and cardinality. So we consider that arity, the arity of a table can be defined as a total number of attributes in a given table is called arity, and cardinality can be defined as a total number of rows in a table is called the cardinality. Means total number of tuple is referred to as the cardinality. Next topic is table abstraction. What is table abstraction or table handling? It deals with three things. Is that table name? First one is table name, and second one is attribute name, and third one is attribute domain. There are three things: domain name, attribute name, and attribute domain. So we consider an example is that camera is not flipped. So if there are a table in which there are 4 items: ID, name, department name, salary. There are 4 attributes in column. First one ID, second one name, third one department name, and fourth one salary. There are 4 attributes in a table. Then we know that arity can be defined as a total number of attributes in a table. Then arity of a table is 4 because there are 4 attributes: ID, name, department name, and salary. And as a parameter, how much records we pass as a parameter in this table is referred to as the cardinality, because the number of tuple can be referred to as the cardinality. If we enter 5 IDs in this table, then cardinality of the table is 5, and if we enter 10, 100, 1000 tuples in this table, then total number of tuple can be referred to as the cardinality. And next one is the domain. The set of allowed values for a attribute is called the domain. Next topic is relational intension. Relation intension. The term relation intension for schema and relation extension for relation state are commonly used. Next one, next topic is functional dependency, which we discuss in next lecture. Keep watch my videos, and I guarantee you that you will be prepared for DBMS. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and support me, and share my videos to your friends, colleagues, etc. Thank you very much.